Alright, let's talk about something that's probably crossed your mind if you're a Lloyds Bank customer. You get an unexpected call. The caller ID says Lloyds Bank, and they're asking you about your account. Is it really them? Are they just checking in, or is this a scam? The short answer is yes, Lloyds Bank does sometimes call their customers. But it's crucial to understand why and how they do it so you can protect yourself. First, they might call you to discuss a specific product you've inquired about. Maybe you applied for a new credit card or a loan online, and they need to verify some details or provide an update on your application. This is a legitimate reason for them to get in touch. Another reason is for security. If they spot unusual activity on your account, like a large transaction in a location you've never used your card before, their fraud team might call to confirm if the transaction was made by you. This is their way of protecting your money. They also make calls for general account management. This could be to discuss an upcoming mortgage review, a change in your account's terms, or to offer advice on managing your finances. These calls are usually prearranged or follow a recent interaction you've had with the bank. Here's the most important part, what they won't do. A genuine caller from Lloyds Bank will never ask you for your full PIN, your full password, or your full memorable information. They will already have some of your information, but they will never ask you to reveal everything over the phone. They also won't pressure you to move money to a safe account. This is a classic scam tactic. If someone asks you to do this, hang up immediately. So, how can you be sure? If you receive a call that you're unsure about, the best thing to do is hang up and call the bank back using the official number on the back of your debit card or from the official Lloyds Bank website. Don't use the number the caller gives you. This simple step can save you from a lot of trouble. Lloyds Bank does call its customers, but they follow strict procedures. Stay safe by being aware of what they will and won't ask for, and always trust your gut. If something feels off, it's better to be cautious.